Alright, so here's my new one. This one is a 5.7 Hemi. It is RT. So yeah, I did sell the Beast, and I bought this one. This one got the SRT seats in it. There in the back, you can see. I'll do a little start for you guys so you guys can check it out. This one's a little different than the other one. Yeah. Let me show you what's underneath the hood. And it does have the big throttle body. And it has the catch can. And I am gonna dip these with a hydrographic dipping for these and for that. I ordered the covers for these. The covers there, I'm gonna hydro dip those. I'll show you the process of the hydro dipping when I'm done with it. So pretty much this is the new one I got. And then I got this other one over here. Which it's an RT2. But this one of the valves collapsed. So we're gonna do a full rebuild. We already started rebuilding it, taking it apart. I'll show you what it looks like. You can see we already tore down most of the head. We have to do this side over here. This is the side that's really bad over here. So we take this apart, we're gonna clean all that up, put all fresh mortar mounts in, all new pistons, everything's gonna be all brand new water pump. Pretty much all the sensors that we see for sight, like this sensor here, this one there, that one's gonna be replaced, the sensor over here that's gonna be replaced, the sensor underneath the alternator is gonna be replaced. We're gonna replace a lot of stuff, but this is the one that I've been working on for the last couple of days. So I'm gonna tear this head off today, and see how bad it is. I might have to buy new heads altogether. We'll see how bad it is, but I won't know until I get it off. So I've been working on that. It's pretty much ready to go. I just gotta get a couple bolts over here on the side, and it should be ready to go. But this is my other car. It's not in bad shape. An old man used to own it. He just never drove it, and he didn't take good care of it. So this is the results. No change in the oil. And yes, I still have. It's still in this. Not in bad shape inside. You can see there's all the parts for it. And you can see the seats are not in bad shape either. The whole interior is pretty clean. The dash is all good. Everything's good. It's a pretty clean car all the way around. But I gotta clean it up. It's dirty now, but that should be ready to go soon. About a month, I say. And then I still have this one. This one's still going. And I put a new computer in this one, and I put a new computer in that one, so that one's running a lot better now. So I got this one back up and running. So this is gonna be my part 2 video. So so this is it right here. And then my other one's over here. My wife's in there, so she didn't want to be on video, but she in there. But like I said, like and subscribe is the key to the ticket. Those are my rides. There's that one, and then there's that one. And this one's rear-wheel drive, so you guys know. The other white one over there is all-wheel drive. This one's rear-wheel drive. So, but those are my rides.